Question one. We watched, I wanted to make these videos because I know it can be kind of tricky just to look at a picture of these tape diagrams and really understand what's going on. So first of all, if you're watching this, good job for digging a little deeper and trying to understand this. You know, it can be a pretty challenging concept. So question one, it says use the tape diagram to find the value of 1/2 divided by 1/3. Now, on this one, a lot of you could probably use the keep, change, flip rule and get the answer real quickly, but we want to make sure you understand what is going on visually. So that's why we're having you draw it on out. So part of the diagram is already given to you. So you see we've got the 1/2 shown right here, and we're dividing it up into thirds. So if you notice, like on this one, I'm going to go ahead and let me change my colors. One whole, that would be this whole bar. Okay, so that's one whole, and you can see I've got my 1/2, which is half of that. But what I want to do is I want to take that 1/2 and I want to divide it into thirds. So you notice if I've got a whole and I divide it, like if I show my thirds, that right there would be my first third. This would be my second third, and that last one would be my third third. So you want to know how many of those thirds will fit into 1/2. Well, if you look at this, here, this first one right here, I've got one group of, or 1/3. So that would be my one whole. But then you look at the next one, and I'm trying to see how many fit into a half. Well, a half stops right there. So I don't get another 1/3. I just get this little square right here. So how much more am I getting? Well, if you look at like that middle bit, okay, that is my second 1/3. But I'm not getting that all the way in. I'm just getting in 1/2 of it. So how many 1/3s get in there? I get that one whole, plus I get this half of a third. So in total, my answer is going to be 1 1/2.